Hi guys, I'm Nayanthara Rai reporting for ET Now. I love food and I love finding out what the latest trends are. I miss dining out. I live with my parents, so to keep them safe, I've not been going out to eat, and my mom's a fantastic cook, so I've not been ordering in, but I love getting insights. So I got I got the opportunity to interview two of India's largest restaurateurs. A.D. Singh of the Olive Group has more than 15 brands to his credit, as well as Riaz Amlani, the owner of brands like Social, Antisocial, Smokehouse Delhi, has more than 58 restaurants across the country. So I wanted to find out what the insights were, particularly when it came to getting food from their kitchens to my house. Is it all going to always be on Swiggy and Zomato? Because the idea came to me because Riaz Amlani is now talking about his own food tech app. So if he's going to have his own food tech app, do I have to download it? How will others discover him? Everybody may not know all his brands. How can this possibly be the future? And that got me thinking. So here's what the two largest and the most celebrated restaurateurs told me. The future is neither with the aggregators completely, and that's aggregators like Zomato or Swiggy, neither is it with the likes of just the restaurant apps. It's in your super app, it's in your Google, it's in your WhatsApp. So, they're talking about seamless deliveries where, your favorite restaurant sits like a contact in your WhatsApp, on your WhatsApp. You go to it, you punch it, maybe you'll just say hi or whatever, and it'll either can take you to the restaurant website where you can see all the menus, or it'll send it to you as a chat. You can choose the dishes that you want to eat, order it, you get a payment link, and you're done. You don't necessarily always have to then go on a Zomato, Swiggy, or even Amazon as it's talking about. Maybe even on Google, maybe on Instagram, you see some posts, stories that appeal to you, and you use Instagram then to order your food from the restaurants you want to try out, or your favorite restaurants, or whatever. But then where does that leave these unicorns, Zomato and Swiggy? That was the big question I was asking them. So this is what A.D. Singh and Riaz Amlani said. The funnel is only going to get bigger. It's not shrinking. So the consumer's always going to have more choices. You're going to have an option to discover not just on, typing in North Indian, South Indian on Zomato or figuring out great deals, but even on Google, even on Instagram. And of course on WhatsApp, you have your contact, which are your favorite, favorite restaurants. The restaurants would like this obviously more. I think we all know about the big fight that Zomato, Swiggy had with the restaurants. There was a massive log out program, and this is a great way for you to stay connected with your restaurant. I think we've all had experiences, right, where we've had to call up the takeout, we have had to call the delivery boy, "Acha bhaiya, pahunch gaye, usko bolo extra cheese dal do, kam mirchi dal do." These are issues, but you tell the restaurant directly. You're on a chat with them. You're connected directly. You tell them, "I like this dish, I don't like this dish." So it also leaves out the third party element where somebody cannot use a Zomato, Swiggy platform to plug negative reviews, as we've heard so often competition does. So this is clearly a very evolving space, and I think the restaurants have had enough. They're sick of paying the high commissions, eating into their profitability. They want to engage directly. They want the traffic though. It's not like Zomato, Swiggy is going anywhere, but they also want to be involved in the Swiggy, in their own search, their own discovery. So I thought these were some really great insights. This is the way food delivery is headed. What the aggregators have done is made food delivery so simple, but the restaurants now want to use the same kind of technology and super apps to reach out to all of you directly.